Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
So, just a quick one regarding the fry in the tank. The tank's clearly getting fuller. Don't put any fish in there, they're just getting bigger. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to remember how they was or look back on other videos. Yeah, this is getting really full now. Not had any issues, or I can't see any problems or had any problems. They're all happy like they should be. They're all feeding. I'm not feeding crazy amounts because I know what sort of trouble I may run into potentially until I get these out in the spring. But one interesting thing is that, you know, the rocks there that are mostly all dirty, you can just see, like, I'm pretty sure they're fish pecking away at it, trying to get, you know, the algae off the rocks and trying to eat. I hope I'm not starving them too much, but I need not to be feeding them loads. I need these to last in here for a wee while yet, until I move them over to the polytunnel. Now I mentioned that, you know, pre-video to this, as a fish keeper, I've just got some water. I'm obviously eager just to see a fish swim in there, and you know what happens, and just so you can study it, or this, you know, just another piece of water basically to study. So by asking, just want you all to get involved. Now, I'm only asking whether we just put a couple of tench in there, golden tench. I've got a goldfish, so just chucking a goldfish in there and seeing how that goes. Or, you know, just two of these undeveloped fries that are in here. I think there's one. It's obviously hard to show you. I think it is there. Just try and follow him there. That's one of them with a bad dorsal fin. And just, you know, just having an experiment. Them two should have really gone in the culling stages anyway. So, you know, as far as I'm concerned, you know, just the fish keeper, just want to get just a, you know, a mouth and some fins and a tail in there, and just seeing how it goes really. So I'd appreciate it. Just comment, get involved on it. More people's commented by, you know, something else, but the purpose of it is just a video, it's just some fun. It'd be great to, you know, just get a few votes together so I can produce another video showing the results of that video basically. So thanks you all for watching, thanks for investing the time in these videos as always. The fry are doing it absolutely great. I've done this video in 4K as well. I'm not going to do much digital imagery or stuff over the top of it because it just takes ages to render. So we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll get to do another one really soon, depending on, you know, what I want to put in there. I'm putting something in there, but just don't know what yet. So thanks you all again, take care, and bye for now.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.